Hey everyone, and welcome back to News and Views. Today, we're going on a breakfast adventure. But not just any breakfast. We're diving into the wonderful world of overnight oats. These little jars of joy are perfect for those busy mornings when you need a quick and healthy breakfast that doesn't compromise on flavor. Get ready to prep ahead and wake up to a delicious and satisfying meal. Let's kick things off with the classic, the OG, the one and only vanilla overnight oats. This recipe is a staple for a reason. It's simple, delicious, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're new to overnight oats or a seasoned pro, this is the perfect go-to recipe. First, grab your favorite jar or container. Mason jars work great, but any airtight container will do. The key is to ensure it's airtight to keep everything fresh and prevent any spills. Now, for that creamy, dreamy base, we're going to add half a cup of rolled oats. Rolled oats are perfect because they absorb the liquid overnight, giving you that perfect texture by morning. Quick tip: make sure you're using rolled oats and not quick oats for the perfect texture. Quick oats can get too mushy, while rolled oats maintain a nice, chewy consistency. Next up, add in half a cup of your milk of choice. This is where you can really customize your oats. I'm using almond milk today, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. Soy milk, oat milk, even regular milk works great. Each type of milk will give your oats a slightly different flavor and texture. Now, for that signature vanilla flavor, add in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This is what gives our oats that classic, comforting taste. Almost there. For a touch of sweetness, add in a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. This step is optional, but it really enhances the flavor. I like to use about a tablespoon, but you can adjust to your liking. If you prefer a less sweet breakfast, you can reduce the amount or skip it altogether. Now, for the most satisfying part, give everything a good mix. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Make sure all the oats are coated in that milky goodness. This ensures that every bite is flavorful and creamy. Pop on a lid and let it hang out in the fridge overnight. By morning, you'll have a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast waiting for you. It's that easy. Get ready for a flavor combination that's absolutely irresistible. Chocolate peanut butter overnight oats. This delightful treat is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a dessert. Just like before, grab your jar and add in half a cup of those lovely rolled oats. These oats are the base of our delicious creation. Now for the chocolatey goodness, pour in half a cup of chocolate almond milk. This will give our oats a rich, creamy texture. Can't find any at the store? No problem. Just mix in a tablespoon of cocoa powder with your regular milk. This simple trick works wonders. Next up, the star of the show, peanut butter. Add in a heaping tablespoon of that creamy peanut butter goodness. It adds a wonderful nutty flavor. I'm using the classic kind today, but feel free to experiment with different flavors like almond butter or even cookie butter. Each brings its own unique twist. For an extra chocolatey boost, sprinkle in a teaspoon of cocoa powder. This will enhance the chocolate flavor even more. Give everything a good stir, making sure that peanut butter is fully incorporated. You want all the ingredients to blend together perfectly. Put on the lid and let it chill in the fridge overnight. This allows the oats to soak up all the flavors and become wonderfully soft. Trust me, the anticipation is worth it. When you open the fridge in the morning, you'll be greeted with a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast. Chapter 3, Berry Blast, a fruity explosion in every bite. Ready for a burst of fruity freshness? Let's dive into a delicious and nutritious treat that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Today we're making Berry Blast Overnight Oats, a perfect blend of creamy, tangy, and sweet flavors that will kickstart your day with a smile. First, grab your jar and add in half a cup of rolled oats. These oats are packed with fiber and will keep you full and satisfied. Now, for that tangy twist, add in half a cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only creamy but also rich in protein, making it a great addition to our oats. I'm using plain yogurt today, but feel free to use vanilla or even a flavored yogurt if you're feeling adventurous. Each type of yogurt brings its own unique flavor to the mix. To balance out the tanginess, add in a splash of almond milk or your choice of milk. This will make our oats creamy and delicious. Now for the star of the show, berries. These little gems are bursting with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sweetness. Add in a quarter cup of your favorite mixed berries. The more colorful, the better. I'm using a combination of strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries today. Each berry adds its own unique flavor and texture. Feel free to use whatever berries you have on hand, or even frozen berries work great. They add a refreshing chill to the oats. Give everything a gentle mix, being careful not to crush the berries too much. We want to keep those beautiful berries intact. Seal it up and let it chill in the fridge overnight. By morning, you'll have a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast that's perfect for busy mornings or a healthy snack anytime. And there you have it, 3 delicious and easy overnight oats recipes that are perfect for busy mornings. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to News and Views for more tasty recipes and fun food adventures. Until next time, happy overnight oating.